Good morning and welcome to Miss Cooper's 7th grade keyboarding class. Today we're going to do lesson 3, creating a basic Excel spreadsheet with formulas. First thing you need to do is you need to open up a blank Google sheet. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create our title. I want to merge and make one large cell. So I'm going to put my cursor in A1, hold my left finger down on my mouse, hold down and drag to the right and highlight the cells we want to merge into one. Once you have them highlighted, then you want to go to your format option on the toolbar. Do the drop down, select merge, and then merge all. It is going to merge into one large cell. You can type your title there. My title is going to be COVID-19-3 states. Once you do that, I want to go ahead and add my subtitles. I'm going to label them state, total deaths, total recoveries. Then I want to insert additional rows or columns where there's a space in between each subtitle or title. So to do that, I'm going to go to Insert on my toolbar, and then I'm going to go to Insert Column or Insert Row. Once I've done that, this is what so far your spreadsheet should look like. I've typed in my data, my numbers, the calculations that I pulled for Arkansas new cases, Arkansas total deaths, Louisiana and Texas. I want to add these numbers up. Instead of using a calculator, I'm going to go to my toolbar, and there's a funny looking E right here. You're going to do the drop down on that. You're going to hold down on your mouse, your left click, highlight the numbers that you want to add together. Once you do that, go to the E, which is your formula button, do the drop down, and you're going to select sum. This is what it's going to look like once you do that. You're going to get where it's equal sum, and it's going to show the cells that you have highlighted to add. Once you get that, then hit enter, and it's going to give you your final product. Here's my total answer. That's how you do a basic formula on an Excel spreadsheet. You can also go visit our Webster Parish School Board homepage. You can get additional work with our resource portals. You can also view different lessons from various teachers on our YouTube channel titled Charger Strong. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact me by email, renee.cooper@websterpbs.org. Have a great and safe summer.